Can you shake your butt? You're so silly. Can you sing Mama a song?
No.
You're not going to sing tonight?
No.
Alright, well thank you for dancing. You're a good dancer. I like your blue lips. What have you been drinking?
Drinking Kool-Aid.
Kool-Aid? Are you ready for bed?
No.
Not ready for bed? You better be careful.
Why?
You're going to fall down. Where's your Christmas tree? Did you help?
Yeah.
Yeah? Which one's your favorite ornament? Which one's your favorite? The green one is your favorite?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Tell Mama bye-bye. What color? What color is it?
Silver.
Oh, silver. That's your new favorite color?
Yeah.
Okay. I love you.
Are you?
How much?
I don't know.
This much?
Yeah.
Okay. Show Mama how much.
Too much.
How much?
Too much.
Too much. Alright. Bye-bye.